Hello, this is Amos, Tarfa, Amos the math guy. So let me talk to you about the history of mathematics. See, math is beautiful. The problem is many people don't appreciate it. There's a whole book about this called The Mathematician's Lament. There's another one called The Mathematician's Apology. And part of what you realize is that many people don't tend to like math because they've been taught math a certain way. I'm here to change that. I teach math in a way that seeks to inspire you to actually not only flourish in math and enjoy it and love it, but I also want you to actually begin to explore your own gifts and talents and abilities. See, mathematics is very objective in some ways, and in some ways there's actually methods you can use to solve problems that are different from what might be normal. So for example, when you're looking for a missing side of a special triangle, there are multiple ways to find the answer. You can use the 30, 60, 90 special triangles information you have. You can use trigonometry. You can use Pythagoras theorem, like 3 different ways to do the same problem, right? So math teaches you how to solve problems. And what is cool is that I don't just want you to learn math to be good at it, but I want you to figure out what have you been blessed with, right? Everyone is created for a purpose, right? God has given you certain gifts and abilities and talents. And when I tell you stories from math history, part of the reason is so that you can learn about people that got so passionate about something that some of them dedicated their whole lives to it. What is your gifts, or what are your gifts? What are you doing with the gifts you have? Now, some of you might say, oh, my gift is playing video games all day. No, that's not going to cut it. Think about other gifts you might have. Are you good at singing? What are you doing with those gifts, right? Are you singing to the glory of God? What are you doing with the gifts you've been given? So take time every day, every week at least, and ask, what are the gifts I have and how can I use them and shine like Newton shone with his work with gravity? There's a whole book called Science and the Scientific Revolution. I love talking about the scientific revolution because during this time from about, let's say, 1550 to 1750, 1800, during this time period, there's just people who are dedicating their lives to what they love. We're going to see that with the history of aviation, which I'm going to start on this channel. And in the history of aviation, what you realize is that the Wright brothers dedicated their whole lives to this thing they were passionate about. What will you dedicate your life to, right? Let's talk about that as we launch into the history of aviation. Let's talk about the Otto Lilienthal. Let's talk about the Montgolfier brothers. Let's talk about the Wright brothers. Welcome to the history of aviation as a tool to inspire you to pursue excellence with the gifts that you've been given. Look forward to sharing more. Parents, let's inspire our children to love learning. Not just be good at the subject, but to love it and love the process. Subscribe for more. Have a blessed day.